did good, say.
Fucking that bitch in the yoga stand, swinging that K with a open stand, slow to smoking that OPM, staying a bar in the closing in. All of my walls they closing in. 5150 they tryna come get me Jamal and my business and mosey in. Neck, black, smoking packs, panic attacks, back to back, set next on my lap debate. Should I relax? But back to the hoe I was talking about. I just want put it up in, I'm out. Dip it up in my blood. What's up, good? Stuck in that dirty side. Letters, two numbers, bitch, crank, 5, 9, 3 fingers in the air, main bitch by my side. Sicky pull up in a quarter million soda, up your down the young Jesus with them 4G was a walkie, drive on water. Anytime, any place, any hood, any state, good till it fucking make woods to the fucking face. Riding with my baby sage, lines on expensive plates, tears on my diamond chain, slow it, never looking face. So when I'm spitting game, show me how that pussy shave. Joseph comment with my shame, mama crying for my pain. Will they ever understand? Can I even help my dad? Money fucking on my fam, giving them till there's nothing left. Pulling up in that latest chopper, stay on me, don't need no hands. Prefer to be lonely, don't need no friends. Hope we get fucking, I don't get fast. I'm with my cousin and talking players. Went to my hood and I got some lame. Done with the money like me and my crash. Just stepping out her as well.
Motherfuckers look to me for help. There ain't the ace in the cards I was dealt. I'm 31, still don't know how to take care of myself. Honestly, I'm scared that I might melt. Leave behind a bunch of black spots on a white belt. Maybe in the next life I'll come back as a nice belle. I don't know, there's a fine line between me and you. The biggest difference is I smoke that shit that probably puke. Dodging juke on the bullshit that try and pull me through. But I'm still shining, baby girl wildin'. Catch me riding by with that look in my eyes. I'm starting to swear about the way I'm gripping my 9. Yeah, I'm always on my toes, but I'm still the same. Standing tall over my grave. Make sure it's filled with all the people we supposedly see. Make sure you throw the blacks in and all